Hello everyone, welcome to AdCreative AI. On this channel, what we do is that we're using AdCreative AI tool to generate visuals for different brands and really discover what type of new features there are because we're adding more and more features. So on this video, I created brand Louis Vuitton, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and generate product photo ads. Basically, what product photo ads is that it kind of takes those boring looking product photos, those Amazon listing type or Shopify listing type white background images, removes the background and turns them into stunning, beautiful looking photo shoots, and then we use our core engine to turn those photo shoots into ready to use, high conversion rate, optimized ad visuals. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. On the first step, I'm going to select product and ad image. It's recommended because it's going to give me a product photo shoot that I can use on my social media channels, on my store, or wherever I'm going to use them. And it's going to also give me an ad image with my logo and branding on it so that I can use the image for the ads. So that's what I'm going to say on the first step. The second step is the background removal, where you upload your product photo. In this example, I already have one photo. I'm going to select one of the hardest examples. It's a necklace from Louis Vuitton, and you're going to see that it automatically found what the product is, and it tells me that, hey, there's no background on this image, so you don't necessarily need to remove it. So I'm going to leave necklace it is, but as you can see, it also recommends me what I need to do or what I shouldn't be doing. So like bottle, handbag, etc. So like be very broad. Don't talk about your brand. Don't talk about anything else. Just what the image is. In this case, a necklace. And on the second one, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna write something like luxury golden necklace. So just to give a bit more information to our AI. So what our AI is going to do on this step is that it's going to go ahead and create some custom styles for my product based on the description that I just left. But you will see that there's many presets and we can also write our own. So let's go ahead. As you can see, there is some cool stuff that it created. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select one of them. So let's select one custom style. Then let's go to the presets. You're going to see that there is so many presets. It doesn't mean that it's going to be the exact background. This is like more of telling AI what kind of images you're expecting. So let's go select one of them like this. I think a flat surface like that is going to be good with this product. Let's go see if there's anything else. Why not? This may work, but what I want to do is that I want to show a custom style, because if I was doing for some kind of custom photo shoot for a necklace, I think what I would be doing is that I would most probably, I would go ahead and do some kind of display bus, right? So let's go do that together. This is a luxury product, so I think circular marble platform makes a lot of sense. Let's say that it is surrounded by, let's go be very specific. Let's go like golden colored, heart-shaped chocolates. So I think that's what I want to do as a custom. And then I'm gonna say that it's in front of a jewelry display bust. I think this is gonna look very good for our AI. So basically the way that it works is that think of our AI as a graphic designer. If you go work with 10 different graphic designers and give the same brief to 10 different graphic designers or 10 different photo shoot artists, what they're gonna do is that they're gonna go and give you 10 absolutely different photo shoots, regardless if your brief was the same or not. And when you create a prompt, you can think of it as the same way. Every time you go to the AI, it's a completely new knowledge, completely new way of looking at it. So if you're happy with one style that you created, you can actually go ahead and select up to 6 one of them, because AdCreative AI allows us to select 6 styles. And these 4, although the briefs are the same, you're gonna see that the outputs, the images that are generated by the AI, is gonna be slightly different from each other. So we selected 6, one custom that AI wrote us, another one that we selected from the presets, and we also wrote 4 custom styles by ourselves. I'm gonna go to the next step. This is when you write this text that the ad creatives are gonna have. So let's go right here something like new drop by Louis Vuitton, and let's go ahead and say something like learn more today. So that looks good. You can select a different icon if you want to. In my case, I don't want to. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next button to generate. So basically at this point, what our AI knows about your product is that it has a product, it has all the colors, etc. It knows what the product is and the product description. And then we went ahead and selected 6 different styles. These styles are going to be basically like almost like a brief, the brief you would be giving it to a graphic designer or a photo shoot person that's going to be doing a photo shoot with your product. So it knows those 6 styles as well, and we went ahead and wrote a text for the ad creative soup. And as you can see, in just a matter of seconds, AdCreative AI went ahead and generated 6 beautiful looking visuals. Each one of them is different and would work for a different brands. And as you can see, the four custom that we wrote makes a lot of sense. One of them was written by AI and one of them was a preset. So let's go ahead and I want to show you how they look like. So if you download it, you're gonna see that in that moment, AdCreative AI is gonna use one of your credits and you're gonna get a high resolution, beautiful looking photo just like that. That would cost you thousands of dollars to do with different companies, etc. So if you go, let's say that we need another one because we want to A/B test or we want to keep our social media very active. So I saved another one. Let's go see that as well. As you can see, just with one credit, it's beautifully looking. The shadows are correct. Whatever brief we gave is correct and it looks amazing. And if you want this one too, because that kind of looks good, why not? Again, just like that, one credit and you have a beautiful looking photo shoot that is ready to use. And then, as I mentioned, what we do, AdCreative AI is one of the only product on the market that can turn those boring looking product photos into amazing looking product photo shoots and then take those and use it in our core engine to really turn them beautiful looking, ready to use ad visuals with your logo on it and with your call to action button and your title on it. As you can see, there is so many of them. It gives you hundreds of different ad creatives per the photo shoot. So if you like any of them, let's say that you kind of like this one, you spend again one credit and AdCreative AI is going to give you a high resolution of that ad creative with your logo on it, with your call to action on it, and with your headline on it. And the more you scroll, AdCreative AI is going to keep generating more and more till you find at least one that looks really good. And if you like another one, again, use just one of your credits and it gives you a high resolution again, one more time, a beautiful looking image, ready to go, ready to advertise. So that's AdCreative AI. It's the only platform on the market, again, as I mentioned, that turns those images into photo shoots and those photo shoots into ready to use high conversion rate ad creatives. Because when AdCreative AI goes ahead and generate those visuals, it also scores those visuals. Thanks to our creative scoring AI, which is another video, you can go and watch it on our YouTube channel, we know what kind of visuals perform the best in paid advertising. We know where to put the logo, where to put the call to action button, where to put the headline, thanks to over 1 billion ad visuals that we have in our database as a data set. And that's what we use to train our AI. So our AI knows exactly what to use and where to use to bring you the best result. So that's pretty much it. That's AdCreative AI. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you haven't tried AdCreative AI yet, we have 10 free credits and 7 days absolutely free trial. So go ahead, try AdCreative AI, and I'll see you on the next video.